Day 41. Review. Day 35 and 36. Theme: identity dissolving and embracing the I am field. Message: Day 35 loosened the grip of roles. Then day 36 called you deeper, not into who you are, but what you are. Ask yourself, what identity am I still using to earn love or belonging? What part of me has outgrown its own role? Can I rest even for a moment as just awareness? Nothing to hold, fix, or perform. Mini practice. Sit with eyes closed and ask silently, who am I without my story? Wait. Don't rush. Let what arises dissolve. Then say softly, I remember what I am. Truth bomb, you're not here to perfect the mask. You're here to realize you were never the mask at all. New code. I dissolve the need to be someone. I am the one who sees it all. In my seeing, all returns to love.